Hey, this is Tom, owner of 702 IT. Thanks for stopping by. What the heck is a geofence? A geofence is a way to make your business safer by limiting access to your office, clouds, and websites by geographic location. In the real world, we put up a fence or other barriers to make it harder to peer in, nose around, and keep all the critters at a safe distance. In the virtual world, we can make it so no one even knows you're there. Geofences restrict not only access but visibility to your services and resources. In addition, geofences keep everything on the inside safer by not allowing insiders to access those restricted areas and regions. Regions, I tell you. Here are a couple examples we currently use with 702 IT clients to help keep them safe and sound. Las Vegas divorce lawyers conduct business within Nevada and almost certainly have no need to advertise their practice in Russia, China, or North Korea. We protect their websites by only allowing people in the United States to access the sites. Is this foolproof? Nope. Then why is it valuable to put up a geofence on a website? Bad guys use automation and scripts, sometimes called bots, to launch attacks from all over the world. The geofence will vastly limit the origins of an attack, greatly improving our odds of staying safe and not have our websites exploited. Pretty cool, right? About 10 years ago, I was so excited when firewalls added this feature, allowing us to put up geofences on our local offices as well. Kim Jong Donkey Kong can't even see our Las Vegas offices from the motherland. Geofences also work in the reverse. If you have staff that likes to clickety-click attempting to redirect them to bad places, geofences will stop their access from crossing national borders and potentially saving your computers and networks from a horrible meltdown. Fair warning, we do have to open up the geofence to parts of Europe for some cloud services like QuickBooks Online that are served from countries like Ireland. We are truly a global society. We can definitely limit our exposure by using a simple tool like a geofence. If you need someone to build your geofence, give me a call at 702-357-4333. Thanks for watching and make it a great day.